Okay, well, enough of that. Julie Robbins here, reporting live from Newport's, New York. Where the fuck is that? I'll tell you where it is. It's in the Hudson Valley, New York. Really, quite a lovely, lovely place. Uh, you know, it's quite stunning here. There are mountains, trees, grass, lots of things going on. Birds chirping, crickets cricketing, or whatever they do. Um, a lot of nature. That's right, nature. It's a little scary, but lovely. Lovely, really, really lovely. So, I'm spending a lovely weekend here in the Hudson Valley, New York. Let me tell you, there's been a lot of man bun sightings, um, Birkenstocks, uh, hairy armpits, but but really lovely. Yeah, yeah. So now I've been prompted by a friend of mine to walk barefoot in the grass. Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna try it. Here we go. Mustering all my courage. I'm walking. Can you see? Can you see here? Barefoot in the grass. I'm taking dangerous, dangerous risks here, waiting for anything could happen. I don't know, a bear could run out, a snake. I don't know. It's really quite scary. Quite scary. Feels a little lovely though, I must say. A little like tickly between the toes. So anyway, here we are from the lovely Hudson Valley, New York. We're supposed to have a beautiful, on to the weather now, because that's what I am, a weather reporter. So, we're supposed to have a lovely weekend here. 80s, sunny, quite nice, and looking forward to it. And out here in nature. Who would have thought? Ta-ta.